Also for this
Mhm.
this one we have to do x equals 185.90
Mhm.
take away 500.
Birthday, Glenn bought a gift this much peso. How much money left if he give $500 cashier? Yeah, good job. 500 take away.
Oh, okay. So do I
X
just write that?
equal 500 take away. Yeah. If you don't
Okay.
mind, find the answer also. Instead of write the equation, we can find the answer also. Right?
Okay.
But they asking, this is the one they ask.
So do I
Can
write less
you
than?
find I think addition is easy. I don't mind this one. Second one, can you find 500, 185.90?
So do I find the total for the second one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll just write the thing now. X equals 500. 500 take away 185.90. Okay, so 500 take away 185.90. So 9. So I'm not quite sure, but is it 300? Wait. 315.90.
Mm-hmm. Now
Oh,
10, right?
yeah.
Zeros.
So do we have to put the 0 in?
Yeah,
And
otherwise,
then,
how much you got the answer?
well, I got 315.90.
No, 90 cannot. Because 90 is in the down, the second line, right?
Yeah, that's because I didn't put the 0 in.
Oh,
So
okay. Mm.
yeah, so I'll just have to start that again.
Yeah, your answer not right.
Yeah. So do we have to put that in every time? Like,
Yeah, otherwise you do mistake, you know.
oh, okay. 0. Is it 314.10?
Yeah, good job. Mm.
So do I do some of this for homework?
Yeah, homework actually, because you do a lot of work, you become very good mathematician. Hmm?
Yeah, so do I write less than
Lesson
20?
20 A and B, right? A and B.
20. Okay.
And
And
21. We go for the 21, do one question.
okay.
Solve the two steps word problem involving addition, subtracting, decimal, including money. Yeah, this one has addition, subtracting, and money, dollars. So peso. Hmm?
Yeah.
I think we go for hard one. Yeah, try number 10.
So for lesson 21,
Mm-hmm.
try number 10.
Yeah, you are trying now. You read with me and do it now.
Oh, okay. So window washers had 5 days to clean 1,500 windows in a mall. The first day they cleaned 284 windows. The second day 298. The third day, 317. And the fourth day, 305. How much windows should be cleaned on the last day? Oh, so do we have to add up 284 plus 298 plus 317 plus 305, and then
Mhm.
whatever the answer is, we have to do the answer take away 1500.
Mhm. Now, if you added, what will happen? The first 4 days, no?
Yeah.
First day and second day, third day, and fourth day. Then for a week, 4 days, this much of windows you clean. But day fifth, total is 1500. Then they're asking me what is the last day you are cleaning. Can you find out for me?
Okay. So 284 plus 298 plus 317 plus 305. Okay. So is it the answer? So when you add those all together, is it 1204?
Okay, I will check. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 2 left, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, plus 1, 20, 0, 2 left, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Yeah, it takes 20 seconds. You got the answer? You are correct. First step, that is called first step. What is the second?
Yeah.
See, in here, there are 2 steps, right? That means you don't get the answer straight away. Then you're going to the problem divided into 2 parts, right? Then you break first part, that's good. Now, what is the second step?
So now you have to do 1500 take away 1204.
Correct. Good job.
1001 take away. So I'm not quite sure, but is it 296? Wait, how can it be 296?
It's an easy one. Why you are not sure? You are not confident. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 gone. There's 4 left. 4 minus 2, 296. Your answer is correct, but you are not sure.
Because I was I wasn't quite sure about one takeaway. One, if we needed a one.
1 takeaway.
Yeah, but
1 takeaway
that's
1 is 0, no? Yeah.
0. Yeah.
Right. You know the answer, you did correctly, but still you doubt. You can't do it, right? When you do maths, you have to be straightforward. I am right.
Okay.
Now,
Oh, we've been doing a bit of perimeter
perimeter
and
and area. That's good. You know the things. Now, perimeter of we are going to do a little bit area now.
but we haven't done 40 .8, then plussing